Hey everyone, so I'm doing another review for Arteza. I'm working with the 24 acrylic color premium set. These are the tubes and how it comes. Very nice packaging. So I have some 4x12 canvases that I found laying around. So I thought we would play a little bit. I thought I would just do a few pours on them, see how this stuff pours out. Dirty pour wise, because I already showed the acrylic pour that I did. Flip cup. My goodness, I forget what I do. So I'm going to grab a couple of these. The last one I did was a flip and drag, and I did not add silicone to those paints, and I still got cells. Unless the Prussian green might have had a little silicone in it, but I'm not sure. Okay, I'm out of breath. Ooh. So I'm going to try, since I already have these mixed up, and these don't have silicone in them, I'm going to try mixing some colors up here to see what we get. This one just fell on the floor, so it's already stirred. I'm just kidding. Lights are flickering. We have a storm. If I lose you, I'll have to do another video. This is the Mars Black. This is the Cerulean Blue. This is the Crimson. And this one is the Mid Yellow, Pale Green, and Lemon Yellow. I believe I might have mixed those two together. This was the Prussian Green. And this is Prussian Blue. This is the Phthalo Blue, the Emerald Green, and the Yellow Ochre, and of course Orange. These I just mixed up, so I may not have to stir those. I'll just give them a little wobble. Alright, so I'm going to do 2 cups, 2 different blends of paint, and I'm going to use my white. I already used up the white that came in that. Okay, so I'm going to start one with white and one with black. And on the white one, I'm going to use the Prussian Green. Let's see, the Cerulean Blue. The Yellow Ochre. That does not have silicone in it. I'll do the yellow. I'm going to do those again. Just not as much. I want to use them up. I don't think I'm going to get to, though. Yellow ochre. And some yellow. Okay, and then in the black cup, we're going to go ahead and use the pale yellow green. Let's see. Let's hit the Prussian blue. Not that we really, I would rather not do the Prussian blue. Let's do the phthalo blue. Let's go with the crimson. And some orange. I need a little black there. Okay, I think that's good. There's plenty of paint in there. I really wanted to try this emerald green. And I'm going to give these cups a little mix. Too many cups. All right. I'm going to go ahead and flip that on this one. Let's see how they blend. Odd-shaped canvases. The cells are pretty. All right, let's tilt. I didn't torch first because I want to see what comes up when we torch it. It's dark. That orange is coming up though. Okay, wipe my hands before I attempt the lighter colored one. The ones that were in the plastic cups like this had silicone. The ones in the Dixie cups did not. You don't have to put it in every color. Some artists only put it in one color. That cerulean blue is pretty. Okay. Two totally different pieces of art there. All right, let's torch and see what we get. really coming up. I kind of like that lime green and that orange in there. Not my usual, right? Some lacing going on that one. Not bad. They're pretty. I really like this. It's pretty. We have a little brown in there that mixed with the orange and the green, but it's pretty. It looks like it belongs there. Let me give you a peek on that one. Lots of cells and lacing. And this bright baby. I'm being careful I don't drip on the other one. So yeah, these Arteza paints are awesome. I have a link below in the description box that you can click on and go directly to Arteza, and you'll get a, I believe, a 10% discount. If not, let me know before you purchase so I can get that fixed for you. And I make a small stipend on it when you purchase something, so give it a try. Their prices aren't bad. Their canvases are pretty good. They sent me some 16 by 20 canvases, and I'll be doing probably a couple more videos with these paints before I use them up. But yeah, I'm very happy with them, and I hope you guys are too. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. You'll get to see some of my other pieces, or other pieces. But this was a review for Arteza. Definitely worth the purchase. So pretty. So pretty. So thanks a lot, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day. Bye now.